Are you living in Canada and wondering, how do I even start investing? No worries, this video is made just for you. Whether it's your tax refund, some savings, or a side hustle payout, the big question is, what should you do with it? Let's break it down, step by step, in simple and easy language. Before investing a single dollar, ask yourself, do I have high-interest credit card debt? If yes, pay it off first. Because no investment will beat the 20% interest you're losing every month. Next, build an emergency fund. That means saving 3 to 6 months of your basic expenses. Keep it in a high-interest savings account for easy access. Now, let's talk about the two most powerful tools in Canada, TFSA and RRSP. TFSA, or Tax-Free Savings Account, lets you grow your money without paying any tax on the gains. You can invest in stocks, ETFs, or even GICs inside it. RRSP, or Registered Retirement Savings Plan, is built for your future. It's great for long-term savings. And your contributions are tax-deductible. If you're just starting out, a TFSA is usually the best place to begin. You don't need to visit a bank anymore. Try beginner-friendly platforms like Wealthsimple, Questrade, or TD Easy Trade. Wealthsimple is perfect if you want to start investing with just a few taps on your phone. So, what should you invest in? Let's keep it simple. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, are low-risk and well-diversified. Index funds are also great for long-term growth. Avoid individual stocks if you're a beginner because they carry higher risk. The good news? You can start with just $100 or even less. Even $1 invested today is better than never starting at all. Investing is not gambling, it's a long-term journey. Don't try to time the market. Start small, stay consistent, and let compound growth do the magic. And remember, if you still have questions, drop them in the comments. Like this video if you found it helpful. And don't forget to subscribe. For more